Hi dear students, welcome to Brilliant Katha. Today I am going to discuss some important shortcuts in the chapter differentiation. Okay, so please see here. The first shortcut is here. Derivative of f of x power g of x is equal to this shortcut formula. If you learn, then very easily within one step, one line, you will get the answer. No need to write 3 or 4 steps. Directly you will get the answer here. But you should learn f of x raised to g of x derivative is equal to f of x power g of x, that's the same function, into g of x, that is the second function, into f dash x, means derivative of the first function, divided by f of x, plus g dash of x, derivative of the second function, into logarithm of f of x, log of f of x. The formula, please listen, derivative of f of x power g of x is equal to f of x power g of x into g of x into f dash x divided by f of x plus g dash x into log f of x. So, see one example here. Question, y equal to x power sin x. How can we do this one? Here question is, please listen, y equal to x raised to sin x. I am taking here dy by dx equal to, you know what is the formula? F of x power g of x. We can consider f of x is x. This we can consider f of x, and this second one, the power here, this we can consider as g of x. Then dy by dx equal to, apply the formula, same function will come, x power sin x into g of x first. G of x means here, that is sin x into derivative of f of x. Derivative of f of x means f dash x. F dash x means x derivative is 1 divided by f of x. F of x considered here x plus g dash x, derivative of the second function here, sin x derivative, that is cos x, into log of f of x. What is f of x? X, then log x. In the first step, you got the answer. That means x power sin x into sin x by x you can rearrange, and plus cos x into log x. That is the answer. Hope all of you understood. One more example we can check. Okay? See, the same. Y equal to sin x power cos x. Please see here, f of x we can consider this one, and cos x we can consider as g of x. F of x equal to sin x, g of x equal to cos x. We can apply in the formula, then what will get? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to the same function we want to write first. What's the same function? Sin x power cos x into the derivative of the other, inside the bracket what we want to put there, g of x, we want to keep the same g of x, the g of x is cos x, okay, g of x is cos x, into derivative of f of x or f dash x. F dash x here, f of x is sin x, right? Sin x derivative is what? Cos x. Cos x divided by the same f of x needed once again, then f of x means here sin x, plus g dash x. G of x is what? That is cos x. Its derivative is there, minus sin x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Log f of x. Log f of x means logarithm of sin x. Log sin x. So if you want to rearrange, you can rearrange that one. Sin x power cos x into cos x is there, cos by sin we can take as cot. So cos x into cot x. Positive and negative is coming. Negative sin x into log of sin x. That is the answer. So please see what we did there. First you learn the formula, directly apply there. Okay. I hope all of you understood, and we can move to the next trick. a shortcut of the other one. If y is equal to root of f of x plus root of f of x plus root of f of x plus infinite numbers are there, infinity, then you know this type of many question you can see. Then what is the shortcut formula for that? This type of functions we can take dy by dx equal to derivative of the function f dash x, dy by dx equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. So only you want to select from here what is the f of x. Okay, what is the f of x? The shortcut is there, this type of function y equal to root of f of x plus root of f of x, under the root of f of x again, etc. to infinite terms are there. Then dy by dx equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. So please see the answer of this one. What is f of x here? F of x considered as sin x. F of x considered as a sin x. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to derivative of that function. What's the derivative of sin x? It is cos x divided by, no need any other value, just write 2y minus 1. In one step you got the answer. Please see, f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. If you know that one, directly substitute the, so sin x change to derivative of that one, cos x. Okay, hope all of you understood and clear, and see one more example for that one. Okay, see, the same idea. What is the f of x? That only we want to check here. What is f of x? F of x means here it is coming, this is the log x is equal to f of x. Then what is dy by dx? By the shortcut formula, the derivative of that function divided by 2y minus 1 will get to f dash x means log x derivative is 1 by x and 2y minus 1. 1 by x divided by 2y minus 1. If you want, you can rearrange 1 by x into 2y minus 1. You can write there. Okay, in the one step, we got the answer there. That means dy by dx equal to derivative of the function divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, please see. One more example. Y equal to root of cos square x plus root of cos square x plus root of cos square x plus etc. to infinity. Then what is the dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to, you know, derivative of f of x. Please consider what is the derivative, what is the f of x? F of x is cos square x. It's a derivative. What's the cos square x derivative? Cos square x derivative is there. Cos square, actually it is the chain rule. So cos square x, 2 cos x, 2 into cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right? Minus sin x divided by, what is that? 2y minus 1 divided by 2y minus 1. 2 cos x sin x equal to what? 2 sin x cos x, or 2 cos x sin x equal to sin 2x. Minus is there in the sign here. Minus 2 sin x cos x is there. Minus sin 2x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, clear it one? So 3 examples we completed in that shortcut formula, and we can check the next one. Next idea. See here. If y equal to f of x power, f of x raised to, f of x raised to, etc. up to infinite terms are there. These type of questions, how can we find out this answer or derivative in the least time? So please check dy by dx equal to y square by 1 minus log y into f dash x by f of x. Always we want to keep y square by 1 minus log y. This only f dash x by f of x needed there. Or the same, sometimes the options will, you can see the another answer. So that is y square by 1 minus y into log f of x into the same of here, f dash x divided by f of x. We can check the examples. At that it it will be more clear. Okay, once again, when we are using these powers like that example, sin x raised to sin x raised to sin x, etc. to infinite terms are there. So please check. Y equal to that question, the formula is dy by dx equal to what? Please see. dy by dx equal to y square by 1 minus log y. No change is there, that's same. Into what? Into f dash x divided by f of x, derivative of f of x, because here f of x means you know what is f of x, this sin x only, right? So its derivative is cos x divided by the same sin x f of x needed there. So that is sin x. If you want, just rearrange. That means equal to y square cos by sin is cot x divided by 1 minus log y. 1 minus log y. I told you, sometimes you can see this one also, or this answer we can write in the form like that, or that is same as, what is that? Y square cot x, that is same. Here, 1 minus log y, 1 minus y log of f of x. That only the change is there. No any other changes are there. Why I am explaining like this means sometimes you can see the options may be this way or that way, the new one. So y square cot x by 1 minus log y, directly you can write other ways. At the place, what is the change here? Y square cot x divided by 1 minus y log of f of x is there. What is f of x? That is sin x. Just apply the log of sin x. That is the another step. Or either you can see this option, otherwise sometimes you can see this option. Okay. Please see the steps. Hope all of you got it. How to do that one? First you learn this idea, then it is very, very easy. Okay. You can see one more example there. Question is y equal to e raised to x, power e raised to x, power e raised to x, etc. to infinity. I am not explaining again what is the shortcut formula. Directly we are going to apply what is dy by dx. Please see, dy by dx is equal to, what is that? Y square divided by 1 minus log y into, what is f of x? F of x means e raised to x, right? E raised to x is f of x. Its derivative is what? E raised to x derivative, e raised to x itself. F dash x divided by f of x. That means e raised to x. E raised to x and e raised to x. We can cancel there itself. Then we'll get 2. We'll get here, if we'll cancel there, e raised to x same terms. Y square by 1 minus log y, that is the answer. What is the answer? Y square by 1 minus log y is the answer. I told you. Or how can we write the same answer? Same answer, how can we write? Sometimes options will be different. At that time, don't worry about that. Just change that one. What's the change? Y square by 1 minus y log f of x will come. That means y square divided by 1 minus y log of f of x. F of x means e raised to x equal to, you know, y square by 1 minus y. What is log e raised to x? Directly you know that one. Log e raised to x equal log of e raised to x equal to, what is that? Log of e raised to x equal to x log e will come. Log e we are considering log e to the base e is equal to 1. Otherwise, directly you should know log e raised to x equal to what? X itself. X. Okay. So here we can write y square by 1 minus y into x. That is the final answer. Please see the steps. How many steps we wrote there? A few steps only there. Okay. Very easily you can find out this one. Then f of x, power f of x, power f of x, power f of x, etc. Infinite terms are there. Okay, clear? Move to the next shortcut. Yes, it's very important because this function is called implicit function. Implicit functions differentiation. Okay, otherwise long steps will come. In this method, it is very simple. What is the important points you want to listen here in this shortcut formula? Please listen. Y is equal to f of x and y at a time. X and y at a time coming in the equation or in the y. Then dy by dx equal to minus f dash of x or f dash x divided by f dash y. Okay, this we gave the condition. What is the condition? Minus f dash x where y is a constant. Y should consider as the constant. Similarly, f dash y needed, then here y is a constant. Sorry, this is x is a constant will come to there. Clear? Minus f dash x at that time, y consider as the constant, but down. F dash y, there x is a constant. We can check the example at that time, it will be more clear. Okay, what is the question? Here, x square y minus sine y minus log x equal to 0. This is an implicit function. I am going to do derivative of that function or dy by dx equal to, we are finding out dy by dx will get to minus f dash x. F dash x, please see, y will be a constant term. Listen all of you. X square, derivative of x square, you know, that is 2x. 2x, y is a constant, keep y there itself. Minus sin y. Sin y means there y is a constant term. Derivative of a constant means 0. Sin y consider as the constant, then it goes to 0. Minus log x. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. So it will come to 1 by x, all divided by. We consider the first numerator, y is a constant. Similarly, the denominator should consider x is a constant. Take the derivative of that one. So here the same function, x square y. Y is a derivative. This is x square into 1 will come, or x square itself. Minus sin y. Derivative of sin y is what? That is cos y. Derivative of sin y goes to cos y. Log x. Derivative of log x. But f dash y is the x considered as constant. Log x goes to 0. Minus 0 will get. If you rearranging that one, it will come to minus of 2xy minus 1 by x divided by x square y. X square minus cos y. That is the answer. Okay, please see the steps. You can avoid this 0, 0 that all, and directly you can write to the. After that, any steps needed, take the LCM of that is x. That x will come to the down. Up to you. Yes, we can see the another example. X cube plus y cube plus 3axy equal to 0. Please see, x, f dash is negative, f dash x at that it will goes to, y is a constant, and y f dash y at that time, x is a constant. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus 3axy equal to 0 is a function. Please do dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to derivative of negative of f dash x. Derivative of x cube 3x square. Y cube no need because y is a constant 0. Next plus 3axy. X is the derivative we want to take. 3ay all are constant. Derivative of x is what? 1. Then it will come to 3ay divided by derivative of x cube plus y cube plus 3axy, but x we want to consider as the constant. Then we'll get to x0, constant derivative is 0. Y cube, that is 3y square, plus 3axy is there. We want to take the derivative of that one. That will get to derivative of y is 1, then 3ax we want to consider as the constant, 3ax. You know, altogether 3 is common. 3 is a common factor of all the terms. We can simply cancel that, all the 3. Minus of x square plus ay divided by y square plus ax. That is the final answer of that question. Okay? Clear what I said? Please listen. What are the steps? How many steps you are writing there? And move to the one more question. Same type only. One more question. Please see here. F minus f dash x, where y is a constant, divided by f dash y, where x is a constant. Same idea. Please see the steps. Dy by dx equal to minus of f dash x sine square y, you know, that is y, constant term, 0, no need. Then cos derivative is what? Cos derivative is minus sine into xy into derivative of xy. Don't take the product rule. Derivative of xy is there. Xy means where y is the constant, take the derivative of x only. Derivative of x is 1. 1 into y, y. Actually, minus pi we can take to this side. At that it will come to like this. Minus pi goes to 0 will come. No need to consider pi. Always will get the derivative is 0. Then y divided by derivative of this one. Sine square y derivative. F dash y needed. Sine square y derivative. 2 sine y into cos y. And derivative of cos xy needed. Cos xy derivative minus sine xy. But into derivative of xy. But x is a constant, right? X is a constant. Derivative of y is what? 1. 1 into x is x. Rearranging that only. Minus of minus goes to plus. Y we can take first. Minus of minus plus y sine of x into y divided by 2 sine a cos a. That means sine 2a. 2 sine y cos y equal to sine 2y. Sine 2y. Minus x we can write first. X into sine of xy. This is the last answer. Okay, students, hope you understood everything what we discussed today. And please practice more questions of similar type. Then we can see in the next class with another shortcuts. Okay, thank you all of you. Bye.